Hey everyone, I just want to make a quick comparison video of my 2023 Model Y with hardware 4 cameras versus our 2021 Model 3. In the video, you're going to see us compare the front camera, the Model Y first, and then the next clip you'll see the Model 3 front camera, and then the repeaters, left repeater, right repeater. First will be the Model Y, and then will be the Model 3, and so on and so forth, for all of the camera views that we can get with the Dashcam. So front to left, right repeater, and then the rear camera on the Model Y and Model 3, comparing each one. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. I'll just let it play through without any voiceover. Thanks again for watching.